Hey everybody, this is just going to be a really quick one because I think this is amazing. I have already opened this, so there is one piece of packaging that is in it. It was just the thing for the cord. So I needed a new travel nebulizer, and I wanted something small. And I'm going to give you an idea of how small this is in a minute. So if this is the Flyp. I'm not in any way associated with them. Comes in this nice box. And like most things these days, it's got a metallic thing, closure, and you open it up, and it's rechargeable, and it's really, really small. So this is just there's an actual manual with this, which I loved, but there's also a quick start guide that has really complete instructions, and there's a couple of other things. But all right, I have small hands, okay? That's my new nebulizer. Now I'm going to give you an even better idea of how small this is. This is my new nebulizer next to you. Okay? This is, I just can't even believe it. It's so tiny. And it comes with a nice little carrying pouch and a cord. And it works, I think it says you can get 8 treatments out of 1 recharge. So, I mean, seriously, that's my new nebulizer. So to use it, you open the back here. There's a little hole right there. It says an ultrasonic nebulizer. So there's a little hole right there, and that's where you pour your albuterol or whatever you use for your treatments. And you close that. And then to start doing a treatment, this is the mouthpiece. And then you just hit the start button. And I want you to hear this. That's running. Even if it had anything in it, that's how quiet it is. I just wanted to share it with you. Now, I'm hoping that it's durable. Oh yeah, and this is on a magnet, so you can easily take this out and clean it. And that's how it sticks up there at the top. And then it folds down. I mean, how cool is that, right? Anyway, if you have to have durable medical equipment, at least have it be cute. Bye, everybody. I'm sorry, this is just a little addendum because I made a couple of mistakes. So when I showed you where you put the medication, I was showing you the actual ultrasonic, the hole where the medication goes into the mouthpiece. The actual way that you add the medication is right in there. And the other thing that I wanted to mention, in case people were wondering, is there is no compressor. As I said, this is an ultrasonic nebulizer, so there is no compressor. This is not just the nebulizing cup part of the nebulizer. This is the entire thing. And the only reason I can't get this pushed in right now is because I'm trying to hold a camera and do it at the same time. Anyway, like I said, I really hope that it works. When Andrew and I are on a trip, or, I mean, it's not that we travel that much, but it's, when we do travel, I need to have a nebulizer with me just in case, and I thought I had a really small one. This is just amazing. And literally, this is going to fit together better. I am trying to do this looking at it through the viewfinder, and I'm missing. That's all. So if you wouldn't mind me pausing for a second. So I was able to do that. I just needed to use 2 hands. And I'm sorry, by the way, my hands are just so dehydrated right now. I apologize for how they look. But anyway, yes, that is the entirety. That's the whole thing. The cost of this, it's not cheap, you know. It's like $190. But when you can't breathe, $190 is like nothing. Oh, I also forgot to show you. It just recharges with a micro USB charger. So anyway, that was all I wanted to add. Bye. Wasn't all I No, it wasn't all I wanted to add. I'm sorry. So I wanted to show you how it looks in the case, and one of the nice things about the case. So again, doing this, one-handed. I'm sorry. It's a sack race for nebulizers. Anyway, so it fits right in this cute little bag, but the nice thing that I really wanted to show you is that I can fit a bunch of albuterol doses right in the bag, so they're not flying around in my pocketbook. I can do more than that, and then I can close it up, and so then literally, this is everything that I will need. Just amazing. Thanks.